So go this cup.
Mommy, better.
No, don't get the machine. I was doing the for my mini business that I'm about to start, you know. So that is it, guys. Okay. Can you see my small shops? Guys, this is perfect shape, I think. This one I use scooper, you know. Then all these I use hand. To be the, you know, I'm still learning. So that is it. So let me show you the inside. So yummy. Planting. Woof woof. Can you see? You will like it. You will love it. So yummy. So guys, I'm at work. I just done cooking now, then so I'm ironing some few bed sheets. I just have 30 minutes. So that is it. Just 3 hours in the morning and 1 hour in the evening. So that is it. Oloyibo. So Oloyibo. It's not easy. But you will survive. I'm not going to video live, okay? Because the way I set it, I don't think. So where is it? Continue watching. So guys, I'm not with your cacao. Guys, our washing machine got spoiled yesterday, and this is Friday evening. We have a lot to wash. So, guys, how many years now in the back away? And made quackers, my non chase to our off, you know. Madam Cabo, aqua canco. Let me wash this one, especially the honest things, you know. Singlets, pants. The one that is easy to wash with hand, you know. So like this. Maybe tomorrow, being Saturday, we will go and buy another washing machine. Because the people that repair washing machine, Italian people, say that it will cost us, it will cost us 300 euro to repair the old one. It's better we can buy another washing machine. And I will not use sandstone. I will not buy sandstone again. We look for another market to buy. So that is it. See me now, see me now. Eh? Gabo African mama. Onde look at when Nigeria. Na so sapa itiaka.
Come on, tender mama now. Oh, wow, the mama now.
So guys, we are going for Chidima's Sado. I don't know what you mean in English.
Yes.
Because she's in ginnastica, artistica, you know. So this time is our city. We are going to our cities. So that's where we are going. Continue watching. I will show you. You know, very busy this week. Very busy. I'm so busy. You know. So that is it. Continue watching. Have a look at this. Let's go. To my five So guys, we are almost there for our sportiva in Campo Galliano. This is where they are doing allenamento, you know. But this is a big hall, you know.